Okay, so we are now going to make a Hexabin plot in Python, and the first thing we are going to do is open up a little code block, and we are going to use the matplotlib library. So let's import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, which is a common pattern, and then next we will import numpy as np, a very popular package in Python, and we are going to use numpy to generate some sample data like this. So we're going to say that x equals np.random using the autocomplete.normal, and we are going to, this takes the normal, this here draws random samples from a normal Gaussian distribution, and we're going to say that the size is equal to 1000 like this, and then we're going to say that y equals np.random.normal, so another normal distribution, and we will say size again is equal to 1000, so both x and y look very similar in that respect. And then we are going to create the Hexabin plot, and we are going to do it like this, which is just a simple plot.hexbin, so we can pick that straight out of the IntelliSense, and the first variable is the x variable, and then the second variable is the y variable. Both of them are array-like. These are the arrays created above using our NumPy constructors. And then we are going to say that the grid size is equal to 50, and we will assign a color map. So color map is equal to, we can choose from the various different color maps. One that I know of is greens, so just like that. And then we will also do a plot.color bar. We will add a color bar to the side of the plot, and finally we will show the plot with a plot.show, and this should produce a chart, and the chart will be just down below. So let's get our Hexabin plot in Python if this works. And here we go, we've got a Hexabin plot in Python. If we were to change the grid size from 50 to, for example, let's say 100, let's just see what happens, and the Hexabin plot has more buckets in there in its grid size. So that's it. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, hit the follow button, and hit the like button. And even if you didn't like this video, still hit the thumbs up button, follow button, like button, and forward this on to as many people as possible if you found it useful. Thank you very much for watching.